सब्सट्रैक्शन विदाउट बोरोइंग, जैसे कि हमने ये दो एग्जाम्पल्स में देखा है ना, वो थोड़ा हम डिटेल में देखेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट सब्सट्रैक्शन विदाउट बोरोइंग. So children, as I have told you, what is meant by borrowing? Asking something from your neighborhood or friend, isn't it? Without borrowing means no need to ask anyone. Okay, so let's start with an example. What is meant by without borrowing? Here I have an example. See, 456 and 325. So subtract these two numbers. Here I am showing you on the screen the table. It is having leaves. लीफ रहता है ना, तो बहुत सारे लीफ है मेरे पास. मैंने यूनिट प्लेस में एक एक रखा है और एक छोटा सा कटोरी में इन स्मॉल बाउल आई हैव केप्ट 10 leaves. In each small bowl it is having 10 leaves. And in 100 place, in a big bowl, I have placed 100 leaves in each bowl, big bowl. Okay. So children, on the screen you can see that in a unit place I have distributed 456, means in the 400 place I have kept big containing 100 leaves in each bowl. I placed 4 bowls over there, and then in a tens place I have 5, right? 456 is our number. So I placed 5 small bowls which are containing 10 leaves in each bowl. Then in a unit place I placed only a single leaves, 6. Is that clear, children? And next, in the below row, what I have done, 325 I have to represent. So how to do that? So 3 means in a 100 place we have to place 300 katoris which are containing 100 leaves, है ना. एक एक कटोरी में 100 leaves है, मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया बड़े कटोरी में. तो मैंने वो 3 रखा और फिर बाद में टेंस के प्लेस में मुझे कितना रखना है, 2 टेंस की कटोरी, आई मीन बाउल रखना है. एंड नेक्स्ट इन a unit place I have to put only 5 leaves. तो मैंने 5 leaves एक एक करके रखा है उधर. तो चिल्ड्रन, इधर मुझे जैसे मैंने बोला है कि आपको 325 निकालना है, किस में से, 456 में, है ना. So here what we have to do, what is our first step, children? Having unit place. So 6 leaves are there and we have to remove 5. तो आप क्रॉस मार्क करो, कितना बच गया, 5. 6 में आप 5 क्रॉस मार्क करो, है ना. तो क्रॉस मार्क करने के बाद आपको कितना बचा, 5 क्रॉस मार्क किया तो 1 बचा, 1 लीफ, है ना. तो यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन और एक लीफ ऐसे ही रखो आप. नेक्स्ट, आपके पास 5 कटोरी, 10 के ईच कटोरी में 10 लीव्स है ना. तो उसमें से हमको कितना निकालना है, 2 निकालना है. तो आपने 2 कटोरीज निकाल दिया तो आपके पास कितना बचा, कितने कटोरी बचे चिल्ड्रन, हाउ मेनी कटोरीज यू गॉट, 3, isn't it? So कितना बॉल्स बचा आपके पास, 5 minus 2 gives you 3. And next, in 100 place we have 4 big katoris. Among 4 big katoris you have to remove 3 katoris. तो 3 katoris strike out किया तो आपके पास कितना बचा, only 1. तो आप ऐसे ही रखो वो नीचे, जितना बचा है उतना. तो फाइनली सी चिल्ड्रन हाउ मच वी गॉट, 100 का 1 कटोरी है और 10 टेंस का 3 कटोरी है और लास्टली ओनली 1 लीव बचा है ना. तो ये वाला जो फिगर का मैंने ड्रॉ करके लीफ का मैंने बताया, वही हम प्लेस चार्ट में, प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में कैसे करेंगे विदाउट दिस फिगर्स. हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट दिस वन, सी ऑन द स्क्रीन we have in 100 place 4, in tens place 5, unit place 6. Accordingly, 3, 2, 5 you have to write. Then from unit place, if you start subtracting, 6 minus 5 gives you 1, 5 minus 2 gives you 3, 4 minus 3 gives you 1. So what is the answer, children, over here? 131. Is that clear? See here children, हमने इधर किसी मतलब 3 times हमने सब्सट्रैक्शन किया, यूनिट प्लेस में किया, टेंस प्लेस में किया, देन 100 प्लेस में किया. हम किधर भी किसी से उधार लिए क्या? बोरोइंग किया? नहीं ना. तो ऐसे वाले एग्जाम्पल के लिए, ऐसे वाले सब्सट्रैक्शन के लिए हम क्या बोलते हैं? सब्सट्रैक्शन विदाउट बोरोइंग. किसी के पास कुछ नहीं लिया ना, आपने ऐसे ही सब्सट्रैक्शन किया. तो like this examples or like this subtraction is called subtraction without borrowing. Okay, so let's take another example, a simple one. 228 minus 105. So children, you have to place these two numbers in a place value chart accordingly as I am showing on the screen. See, 228 minus 105. So 8 minus 5 gives you 3. 8 means, see, 5 plus 3, 8 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many remains? 3. Write down. Then 2 minus 0. Nothing is there to subtract. Then how much remain? 2 as it is. Then write down 2. Then 2 minus 1, 2. Then remove 1. It will become 1. Isn't it? So, if 2 is there, if you remove 1, you will get 1. Isn't it? So, what is the answer, dear? 123 remains. So, these all are example for subtraction without borrowing. Okay, children, have you understood this concept? Next, we'll move on to subtraction with borrowing. Okay, so in this, I have an example of cherries. How we have taken an example of leaves, like that we are taking here cherries. Okay, so here the name itself says that subtraction with borrowing means you are borrowing. आपके पास कमी पड़ गया तो आप क्या करते हो? दूसरों से लेते हो, है ना? So this is called borrowing, as I have told you clearly before. So children, here I have an example of cherries. Find the difference between 872 and 586. Subtract these two numbers as shown here on the screen. Okay, so here these numbers you have to represent in the form of figures, or you can in the form of cherry bowls you can place them. So in unit place, what I did, unit place it is 2, right? So here I placed 2 cherries individually, right? And then in a tens place, how many are there? 7. So एक कटोरी में I have placed 10 cherries. ऐसा एक कटोरी मैंने कितना रखा उधर? 7 रखा. Okay, 7 10 है वो. Then 800s, तो मैंने 8 कटोरीज, बड़ा बड़ा कटोरीज मैंने प्लेस किया. एक कटोरी में कितना चेरीज है? 100 चेरीज. ओके चिल्ड्रन, इज दैट क्लियर? तो बड़ा सा कटोरी में 100 प्लेस में एक कटोरी में 100 है, ऐसे मेरे पास 8 मैंने रखा है उधर. और फिर इन अ टेंस प्लेस आई हैव 7 कटोरी, I have 7 bowls. In each bowl, I kept 10 cherries. Okay, so it has become 7 tens. And then individually, I kept only 2 cherries because I have to represent it as 872. Okay, next 586. In 100 place, we have to place a big bowl. 5 कटोरीज रखना है, 5 big bowls रखना है. In each bowl, children, how many cherries we have to place? 100, right? And in a tens place, how many we have? 8. In 8 bowls, we have to place 10 cherries in each. एक बॉल में 10 डालना है, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, टोटली 8 10s हो जाएगा. एंड नेक्स्ट इंडिविजुअली कितना रखना है, 6 चेरीज, तो मैंने 6 चेरीज रखा. सी ऑन द स्क्रीन यू कैन सी क्लियरली. एंड देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू चिल्ड्रन, सी इन द यूनिट प्लेस, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड. 2 minus 6. Is it possible children to subtract 6 minus 2? You have to remove 6 from 2. Is it possible? No, right? Why? Because 2 is smaller than the 6. So what we have to do here, you have to borrow from your friend. Who is your friend here? So for unit place, tens place is a friend. And for tens place, 100 place is friend. Okay, तो like this, तो 7 ऑलरेडी टेंस प्लेस में 7 है, तो उसने एक दे दिया, उसके पास कितना बचा, अभी 6 बचा. ये स्ट्राइक आउट, 7 स्ट्राइक आउट करके 6 लिखो आप. और इधर आपने एक ले लिया, तो आपके पास पहले ही 2 थे और एक आपने टेंस ले लिया, तो ये 12 हो गया. So 12 minus 6 gives you children how much? It is 6. 12 minus 6 gives you 6 only. Then इधर देखो children, here we have 6, then 8. 6 minus 8. Is it possible? 6 minus 8, we can do that? No, right? Because 6 is smaller than number 8. What we have to do, again you have to borrow from your friend. That is, if you borrow 1 from it, 100 का एक ले लिया, तो आपके पास ये 16 हो जाएगा. एक कटोरी आपने ले लिया, तो उसके पास कितना बचा, अभी पहले उसके पास 8 था, आपने एक ले लिया, तो उसके पास 7 बच गया. तो चिल्ड्रन इन अ टेंस प्लेस यू हैव 6 एंड एक ले लिया आपने बोरो करके, तो इट विल बिकम 16. So 16 minus 8 gives you how much children? It is 8, isn't it? Then next move on to 100 place. Here you have 7 and then 5. 7 minus 5, you can do it? Yes, because 7 is bigger than 5. So 7 minus 5 gives you 2. So how much we got in the last children? How many cherries we have left with? 286. Is that clear? First we have to solve the unit place, then come to tens place, then go to 100 place. Okay children? So let's take another example. A teacher told Shrikala and Srinath. They were two friends or they were classmates, and teacher told to Shrikala and Srinath to collect various types of leaves. Okay, then after counting, we know that Shrikala has collected, see on the screen you can see the picture of the Shrikala and Shrikant and even the teacher. They are there and they have collected so many leaves. And Shrikala has collected 290 leaves and then Shrikant has collected 178 leaves. So children, how many more leaves are collected by Shrikala than Srinath? By seeing the pic only you can say that who has collected more, isn't it? So Srinath के पास ज़्यादा leaves collect हो गया या श्रीकला ने ज़्यादा leaves collect किया. By seeing the pic only you can say that children Shrikala has collected more leaves, है ना. लेकिन हमको एक अंदाज़ा लगाते हैं कि ये इसने ज़्यादा किया है, लेकिन कितना ज़्यादा किया we cannot say by saying like that, right? So what we have to do, we have to perform a mathematical operation like that. Subtraction we have to do. So here Shrikala is having 290 leaves and then Shrikant is having 178 leaves. So children, let's start this one. As you know, you have to place these two numbers in a place value chart. Then it looks like this. See on the screen, in a unit place you have 0 and 8. In a tens place you have 9 and 7. And in 100 place you have 2 and 1. So from left side means from unit place you have to start. 0 minus 8. Is that possible, children? 0 is a smaller number than 8. So impossible to subtract. What we have to do? You have to borrow from your neighbor. Who is your neighbor here? Tens place. So you have to take 1 tens from your friend. So how much it will become? So it will become 10. 0 के बदले आपने उसके पास 1 ले लिया तो कितना हो गया? 10 हो गया. तो 10 minus 8 gives you, children, 2. And then टेंस प्लेस में इट हैज़ ऑलरेडी 9 था उसके पास, तो आपको 1 दे दिया उसने, तो कितना बचा उसके पास? 8 बचा. 9 ऐसे क्रॉस करके आप 8 लिखो उधर. नेक्स्ट 8 minus 7 gives you 1, and then in 100 place you have 2 and 1. 2 minus 1 gives you 1. So how many more leaves has been collected with Shrikala? It is 112 or 100. Okay. So this concept has been clear to you, right?